Welcome to StarX Network, the future of mobile crypto mining. To get started, install the StarX mining app directly from the Google Play Store. The download link is in the description below. Once installed, create your account using your email or social login. No complicated setup. Just tap and start mining. Mining with StarX is effortless. Tap the Start Mining button once every 24 hours to activate your miner. No power drain, no running app in the background. The mining is cloud-based, so it works silently while you go about your day. The StarX Network officially launched on July 3rd, 2025. By July 7th, it had already reached 1,000 users, a sign of fast-growing interest. Then on July 10th, the Whitepaper was released, confirming the project's long-term vision. So yes, you're still early, and that's where the biggest rewards are. Want to mine faster? Share your invite link with friends. For each active referral, you earn 25% more mining speed. They mine at the normal rate, while your rewards grow. STRX is the native token of StarX Network, built on Binance Smart Chain. The total supply is capped at 2 billion tokens. 60% is dedicated to mobile miners. That's 1.2 billion STRX just for daily users. 15% supports ecosystem partnerships, and 15% goes to the core team with long-term vesting. The rest is split between community growth and a development reserve. StarX makes Web3 accessible to everyone. No mining rigs, no hardware, no experience needed. You just tap once a day to earn tokens. The platform is fully decentralized and includes social features, governance tools, and even payment options for real-world use. It's powered by cloud mining and designed to scale globally. The roadmap has 3 major phases. Phase 1, launch the Android app and grew the early community. Phase 2 will include iOS support, user verification, and token listings. Phase 3 adds decentralized identity, wallet integration, social media tools, and DAO governance. StarX Network uses multiple layers of protection. Anti-bot tools, KYC checks, and encryption are all built in. The backend is hosted securely on scalable cloud infrastructure. Smart contracts are fully audited and use upgradable architecture for future improvements. StarX Network turns any smartphone into a portal to the Web3 world with fair tokenomics, zero entry costs, and powerful long-term potential. This app is your first step into decentralized finance. Download the app using the link in the description. One tap, one mission, one network. Join the StarX movement today.